Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the last video that is dedicated to the Galaxy A series of Samsung. We're finishing with the least expensive phone from all of the A series, and this is Galaxy A03s. This phone is not for everybody. This phone is basically for people who really don't have the budget to buy something better than this. But since I need to be fair and I have to take a look about every option, I decided to make for this one also. Let's unbox this phone and judge afterwards. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the like button, smash it, follow me in all social media and TikTok, support me. Thank you! This is the package of Samsung Galaxy A03s, or the box to be more correct. It's easy to open, you just slide. That's the pocket with documents, warranty card and quick start guide. This is the phone itself in protective foil. We see the charger, that is not fast charger, 5 watt typical charger. USB Type-C charging cable. We remove the foil. This is my favorite moment of unboxings. Let's turn on the phone and see the full set. That's how your Samsung Galaxy A03s comes. This is how the phone looks. Plastic back with matte finish. We have 3 color options, black, blue and white. Plastic corpus from everywhere. The good thing is that it doesn't slip easily from your hands and there is no fudgy-mudgy fingers on the back. On the front we have the V-notch with the front camera and the very thick bottom bezel. This always annoyed me from the A series, that they have this thick bottom bezel, the cheaper ones from the series. We have the slot for the SIM card, on and off button, volume up and down button. We have also fingerprint on the on and off button. This is the smartest place to put a fingerprint, by the way, even though it doesn't catch your finger every time. But when it catches it, it does it very fast. USB Type-C charging port, audio jack and speakers on the bottom and on the top of the phone. Let's say a couple of words about display. This is PLS LCD display with HD plus resolution, 1600 on 720p. This resolution is bad. It's just bad. I can assure you can find something from Redmi for this around this money with better resolution. 6.5 inch. We have high comfort, shoot mode, night mode. It's big display, contrasty display, nothing compared to the AMOLED and OLED display. You can't expect super bright, juicy colors. But as I said in the beginning, you buy this phone for your grandma, or you buy this phone if you want second phone, or you buy this phone because you need a work phone that you will just only use for speaking and sometimes Messenger or Viber. You don't buy this phone for your main phone if you have slightly higher budget. At least I wouldn't. You can watch videos, you can play games on this display. There is no issue if you're that bored or if you don't have battery on your main phone, or this is your main phone, you can still watch videos. It's still okay. I don't hate on this phone, don't take me wrong. I just say that you can take something better for the budget, maybe, which is around 150 euro. About the configuration, MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor with RAM storage 3 or 4 GB combined with internal storage of 32 or 64 GB. We have opportunity for expansion with the micro SD slot. The operational system is Android 11 with the interface of One UI 3.1. The phone is good for playing games like PUBG and Call of Duty on low-medium settings. PUBG doesn't support higher settings than this for this phone anyway. You can see how the gameplay looks. This is the PUBG mobile gameplay. You see that higher settings than this are not available for this model. That's why we better go on low frame rate and smooth or medium. You will see that there is kind of small lag on the frame and I don't feel my fingers exactly comfortable sliding on the screen. I don't know how to describe this feeling. You see that there is lag. I can't turn with the parachute properly. I feel like my fingers are so rigid on the screen. It's hard to move the character and it's hard to aim. I don't even see anything that good. The graphics are normally low. Somebody is shooting at me now. I don't even know where it is. Oh wait, I saw. Where are you? Where? I can't even turn smoothly. Till I find my opponent, I'll be dead. Okay, let's try to aim. come on guys, I can't aim. Now let's say a couple of words about the camera. Triple camera, main sensor 13 megapixel with f2.2, macro sensor 2 megapixel with f2.4 and 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait photos. Front camera is horrible, 5 megapixel, super blurry. You have enlarged blurry image. I dislike that completely, especially when you make a video with the front camera. It's okay maybe for video conversations, but I would like to have something better. As far as I remember, Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S was around the same price category and the specs are much more better. About video, you can have 1080p 30 fps video here. You can check out the photos made with this phone look. These are the camera shots, the 13 megapixel main sensor, some autumn pictures. We can see the pictures are full of noise and the details are lost. Some cute grandma with her grandchildren. Even though still okay pictures, the macro sensor very bad. For 2 megapixels still impressive, but the video 1080p not good enough if you ask me. This is not good enough. I don't see the details. The noise is tremendous. You can see it on the tree. But hey, it's so cheap phone anyway. Now the front camera we'll see on a video. I told you it's blurry and it zooms you in. You look like a balloon. It's not good front camera, man. It's not good for selfies and videos. It's nothing impressive, it's not that bad either. I would personally give this phone to my grandma, she would be very happy with it. But I don't offend the phone, and I don't offend the people who don't have higher budgets. I'll make a video about the cheapest phone you can get with the best specifications, just for you guys, so you wouldn't think that I hate on cheap phones. The battery is 5000 mAh, this is decent battery. Especially for this kind of phone, you don't have heavy tasks that this phone will perform, you don't have that much graphic power and stuff that will just consume like mental from your battery, you don't have high refresh display, so your battery will last. I charged this phone once and it was with me more than a week. Okay, I didn't use it every day, but it's still good battery life, decent battery life that you will use long time without need of charge. The disappointing part is that the charger doesn't even support fast charging. 15 watt is less than that. It's just normal 5 watt charger, which is horrible. They should have made effort to put at least this. So this is the lowest, the cheapest phone of the A series, A03s. I hope you liked my honest review, because this is completely honest review what I think about this phone. Be sure to like and subscribe, follow me on social media and smash that like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye!